Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, watch me as I do this beautiful and protective hairstyle for this beautiful cornrow. Nothing difficult for the beginning, so I just section the hair back, not too big, not too tiny either. So I'm just section the hair down. In the middle, I'm going to put another design on the middle, but now just section the hair down. Is really easy for the beginning, which is conrow and protective hairstyle. So I just section it down. I'm going to use my shea butter to moisturize the hair before I continue the conrow. That's what I'm just doing. Keep on watching, guys. So I'm still doing the same thing that I do for the very beginning. So I still keep on repeating the same thing. Guys, if you want me to do video of how to do beginner friendly cornrow for beginner, let me know on the comment section. It's very easy, but some people cannot cornrow. But if you want me to do video on that, just let me know on the comment section. I keep on repeating the same thing, guys. This is what I'm going to do on the center of her hair. So I'm going to do zigzag. So I just section the hair and I pin it one side to the other side. So just keep on watching as demonstrate. It's a little bit difficult to explain, but if you follow the way I'm just sectioning the hair, you can get it right. So I have little pin here which I use to pin it down, so that when I'm going to conroll the hair later, it will be easier for me. So I section the hair, I take one side to the other side, I take the other side to the other side, because it's going to be zigzag on the center. So now I'm finished with the section. I'm just going to start from one side. So I also comb it. I start from one side, I'm going to continue the zigzag. Just keep on watching as demonstrate. Nothing difficult, guys. When you get to the end, you turn your hand to the other side to pick it from the other side as well. You can also turn your body. All depends on the way you want to conroll the hair, but nothing difficult. As I said, it's very easy. Keep on watching, guys. If you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to friends and family. Let's continue with the video. You see the way the zigzag come out neat. You see it was really beautiful. She was happy to see the zigzag. You see the way it looked beautiful. So when I get to the end of it, I just come roll the hair down. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side also. So I'm going to put 2 zigzags on the center part of our hair. I will continue the same thing which we do for the first time, so nothing difficult. So I get to the end of the hair. So I do the same thing as we did for the very first time. You see the way this zigzag come out nice. Look at it. I love the hairstyle. So now I'm just going to do the same thing which we do for the very beginning, which is just normal conrow down. So nothing difficult, as I said before. Yeah, continue the same style which we do for the very beginning. Guys, we are done with the hair. Look at how beautiful the hair came out. She was really happy to see the zigzag on the middle of her hair. So now I'm just putting oil here to moisturize it more and also protect the hair because the weather is really cold over here. So now I'm going to put some accessory to make it more beautiful. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye bye.